Hello everybody, this is a 1910s Century Electric ceiling fan, model number 15. That's that old. This is the third fan they ever manufactured. They didn't actually manufacture too many more either until before Hunter bought them out. If you saw the pictures of this motor, you wouldn't believe that it ever would have ran. But it actually ran pretty decent. It's just really loud. I wanted to record it on its first startup after being reworked. I mean, granted, that's the original stator, original windings, everything. I just came in and removed the old wiring and pigtailed off of it, etc., etc. And I varnished everything. That's how I roll. Anyway, here we go. That is not bad at all. Now let's grab my clamp on ammeter. See what she's drawing. Probably help if I put it on there the right way. 3.13. It's a little bit high from what I remember anyway. Grab my other meter and do a voltage leakage test. I've got a Megger on the way. I used to have one, but it kind of blew up on me. Okay. We had a power surge, and there was a loud boom. I guess somebody hit a pole down there. About 3 or 4 minutes ago. I'm gonna go here and go to ground there. Now I'm gonna probe somewhere that I know is decent. Got 5 volts, that's not bad. Well, thanks for watching.